What trends do you see emerging and also challenging the current O&A level system inside of Pakistan?
Okay, then new education models are there. For example, Pearson Edexcel model is coming up. Many fellows are switching to that.
Which is assignment based.
The assignment based. And within O and A level, now I have seen that many online schools are coming up. So I mean, you see the transportation cost has gone up. University, not university, but the fees of the schools providing OA level education, it has gone up. Other expenses gone up. So whereas the salary or income level of parent has not gone up as much as the expenses gone up. Now what would happen at this stage, since online education is available and many schools are offering online education, new educational bodies, new private organizations, so many students are going to switch to online O and A level education at this stage for the simple reason that I have shared with you. So future is there, maximum enrollment is going to switch to online education because people see that the time they spend traveling from home to school, the cost they bear from home to school in transportation sense, and the fee they pay to the schools is just getting out of control now. So to overcome at these challenges, people are going to look into the online learning options for O level and A level education.
But sir, social scientists could critique the online system because human interaction is very important psychologically. So how would students be catering to that?
Zain, देखें ये 100% तो स्विच नहीं होगा, जो चल रहे हैं वो चलते जाएंगे. My point is that when it comes to affordability, then people do not have many options, unfortunately. So let's say 20% switch is a big switch, but in the long run, online learning is the only option. McKinsey report is that over 80 million people will switch to online learning models by 2030 in the United States. So you see, when these organizations come up with such statements or provide such a data,
emerging trends,
there is a very serious research behind, and then they come up with these numbers. So yes, interaction is there, interaction is supposed to be there, but students will come up with other ways to interact with each other. I mean, you don't have to be sitting in the classroom. You can sit at Gloria Jean's or Starbucks or Pizza Hut with
even
5
extracurricular activities, sports.
Absolutely, with 5 students of your neighborhood and discuss over there. For extracurricular, co-curricular activities, it was a time when there were no sports complexes in the cities. Now sports complexes are available and students can go and have all the facilities that many private schools probably do not have even in the schools. So those private sports complexes are there to fulfill this need as well.
Dr. Ijaz A Qureshi, what are you most optimistic about regarding the future of education?
देखें, जो the current role of information technology in our learning environment is very strong and powerful. Now it's gonna get bigger and bigger. It will never come back. It will never step back. If you look into the students, each student in the university has a smartphone, and powerful smartphone. That means they can search the most powerful databases from their smartphone. So having said that, exploring all databases on their smartphone mean they have the whole universe at their palm. So when students have this kind of resource available, I am very positive that kids can do wonder in their professional life.
And they can have a quantum jump in their research projects.
Absolutely. I mean, research is, you see, coming up with new knowledge, creating new knowledge. This is what research is, and that's only possible when you are able to get the maximum material, and after getting the maximum material, someone is able to read that maximum material, then they will be able to create the new material. So, it's a blessing to have this current learning environment in the university systems, in the academic institutions, in the schools, where students have so much with very little effort. Thank you.